Hey everyone, how you doing? My name is Crystal Miller. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you're going to learn tips and tricks to grow your online business. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so you'll get alerts when I upload new content for you all, and smash that like button. Building a brand, there's one thing that you must understand when gaining clients, earning people's trust, and making sales. It's repeat exposures. People need to see something more than once to make a purchase. I heard somewhere that it takes a person 7 times before they make a purchase. You want to get in front of your clients multiple times. This is where I finally got it and understand how this all works now. My aha moment. I guess you could say that I was like the 98% of the people wanting money right now. I would literally be in anxiety mode and all over the place, trying to figure this whole online business out, trying to make a quick buck. I would do a little work and didn't see any results right away, so I would quit and try something else, not giving that strategy enough time. My advice to you is if you are having anxiety and needing to make a quick buck, it is not going to happen because your mind is not in the right place. I'm no longer in anxiety mode, needing to make a quick buck. It took me a long time to finally get that. It is the hardest when you're first starting out because you're like a plane that is on the ground. It is because no one knows you, you haven't built up credibility. I have said this in one of my other videos that you've got to pick one strategy and master it and put out content on a daily basis, whether it's a video, blog, or Facebook, whatever your strategy is, you got to just do it on a daily basis. That way you're building rapport that way. And it's going to take time and effort. You have to have a long-term mindset. And leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this. There's also a link down below that has a 7-day free trial that you can get started now. And there's training to get you started in the right direction. Click on that link down below to get started. Also remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on my daily content. Bye for now.